Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to download CoC browser and install and customize. So now click on Google Chrome browser and already open CoC browser and free download for Windows now. I am click and wait downloading. Okay guys, just click free and fast download, always available and trust virtual free. So now click on download and your download has started. So guys, you see just pop-up window and download and CoC setup X file. So it just like Google Chrome, same browser, the same browser and secure, fast and safely browsing, and it has a default some extension you can use easily. So browser setup, permission yes, and just downloading. So keep watching my video. Okay, run browser system start. Okay, I CoC browser default on torrent client, don't need, and default don't need. Okay, now just click install and wait for downloading and installing. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, so please subscribe our channel and like this video.